You can see there's a peniche which is going down towards Le Havre. It's Pusher, and the pushed one is the one in front, so I'm gonna give you guys the name. It's going down towards Le Havre. So the name is, let's see, the name Ardennes. Ardennes is the part of the ship which is in front, which has been pushed. As you can see, here we go. So this is the Ardennes, which is pushed. You can see it's very much barely over the water. So, and then the pusher is the Meuse. There we go. The other side is the rise of the Meuse. That's a ship. The pusher. It's the rise of the Meuse, and the one in front which has been pushed is the Ardennes.